Welcome to Isover's Bust a Myth with me, Professor Aerolite. Today's myth, it's super tough to transport insulation. Let's look at the facts. At its core, Aerolite Soft Touch is made up of glass wool fibers. These fibers are excellent at trapping heat, but are also incredibly lightweight. The fibers also create a web-like matrix that can effectively trap air, which is one factor in keeping your home warm in winter and cool in the summertime. It's like carrying around many cushions, making it easy to transport and install in your own home without even breaking a sweat. Myth busted. When you think about upgrading your home with insulation, think Aerolite Soft Touch and embrace the lightweight signs of comfort. Until next time, stay warm and stay curious.